We don't want to cause a lot of attention to this thing. This is a pirate tutorial here. We don't want authorities hearing what we're doing around here. Pirate tutorial! Gotta call a few people over. Alright, well I'm gonna lay my ropes down. So let me go ahead and do this right here. Put this here. How much room? Good room? Alright, here we go. We're in around here. Do you mind lending a foot? Yeah, you just put your foot down there. Hold the rope for me there. Alright, make way. Yo. Oh, there you go. Put your foot down. Nicely done. There you go. Hello, how are you? You're gonna hide all your valuables like this thing over there. You gotta be careful. Watch out, just take a step back there, folks. It's gonna make lots of room for Captain Jack Sparrow and his enormous ego. Plus, we'll be firing cannons and stuff, so we don't want anybody to get into that. This is a blast zone over here, so watch out. When we do the cannon firing, you may want to do that. All right, gather around, folks. We've got plenty of room on this side. If you want to go ahead and wander around, make room for everyone. Captain Jack Sparrow will be here in just a moment, and we'll get things started. Well, then, first off, let's try the song. Do you all know this song? It's a small world after all. You don't know this song? All right, we'll teach you the song later. All right. So, do you wish to be a pirate? Yeah. All right. Do you wish to be a pirate? Say, oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's nice. There you go. Do you wish to sail with Captain Jack Sparrow? Say, oh, yes. Oh, yes. Do you wish to give me all your money? Say, oh, yes. Oh, no. Who said, oh, yes? You did. Someone's been drinking this morning. All right, let's have all your money. No, that's fine. We'll steal it from you later. We're not a true pirate. Wouldn't beg for money. All right, so gather around, everyone. Gather around. Pirate tutorial. Let me just turn down my music box here. There we go. We'll put the sword back up there. All right, gather around, folks. Gather around. For the time has arrived for those with adventuring spirits to be regaled and informed by none other than the world-renowned, notorious scourge of the southern seas, Captain Jack Sparrow himself. Hold on a second, let's try that again, all right, here we go. Captain Jack Sparrow himself! Yes, so gather around, let's make this official. Let me just get me a whistle. Oh. John gave me that earlier, sorry about that. Oh, here it is, here we go. All right, here we go. Never had a lesson. Gather around and assemble directly. It is now time for Captain Jack Sparrow's pirate tutorial! If you wish to learn useful and important survival skills that can only be taught by Captain Jack Sparrow himself, then gather around as his arrival is imminent.
Close.
What is it? His arrival is soon. Yes, it's soon, very soon, everyone, very soon. And this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, of course. As soon as he gets here, and we'll get started. And oh, I know. Well, we have time. I can tell you who I am. Yes, I am Mack. So everyone say, hello, Mack!
Hello, Mack!
Yes, and I am under the direct commands of Captain Jack Sparrow himself! You're not getting this. Jack Sparrow himself! That's it. Yeah, Captain Jack Sparrow, he said to me, say, Mack! Oh, you want to see my Jack Sparrow? Mack! Go out into the village square and gather me a crowd for my pirate tutorial, he said. And make sure, he said, that the local constabulary isn't there, savvy. So that would mean the authorities. So none of you would be with the authorities, eh? No, that's good. But here you are, here I am, and I'm afraid the good captain is nowhere to be found, so what's there to do? All you can do is wait. All you can do is wait. Well, that's a fine thing. Are we all waiting around for Jack Sparrow?
Captain Jack Sparrow, if you please, mate.
Who's that? I know it's Captain Jack Sparrow. Captain Jack Sparrow! All hands on deck!
Careful, mate. Well, thanks, you're far too kind. Nicely done, Mack. You've done us a well.
Aye, sir.
In spite of yourself. Nicely done. So, it's a pirate's life we plan to seek, and you don't seem not usual sort attracted to the lure of this dark profession. But perhaps I'll misjudge you. Do you seek adventure?
Yeah. Oh, come on, the Captain asks, do you seek adventure?
Yeah. Do you seek a reputation as someone to be reckoned with?
Yeah.
Do you seek treasure beyond your wildest dreams?
Yeah.
Well, it don't come easy, Savvy. It takes skill.
Skill!
Cunning!
Cunning!
Talent!
Talent!
very often patient.
And very often patient!
Sorry, down. Thank you. Now, let's put the lot of you to the test and see if you're what it takes. Are you ready?
Okay. Come on, Captain Jack Sparrow, are you ready? Yeah! If you're ready, go. I was only trying to help, sir.
Thank you. Now, looting and plundering may be all well and good, mates, but sailing to get there is hard work. So to begin, let's get you all working on demonstrating some necessary skills.
Aye, sir.
That is you all. Raise your strong right arms high.
All right, open your starboard side, mate. Open the starboard side.
All right, now put them down. Now show me your strong left arms. I will go his.
Right, this is the port side. Put up your port side, you swabs. There you go.
All right, now let me see you use them both. Hand over hand like you're raising a sail.
All right, let's hoist the main. Here we go. Starboard, port, 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 starboard, port.
Not bad. Show some potential, mate. Now, while you're on your journey some fine day, you might find yourself in the wrong end of an argument with your captain or crewmates.
Yeah, or both. Based on your experiences, of course, Captain, sir.
Or both based on my experiences. Should this occur, based on my experiences, you might find yourself, oh, how should I say it?
Oh, I know, sir. It's maroon in accordance to the pirate code, Captain, sir. Sorry.
Should that occur, and should a ship pass by, if you wish to save yourself, you'd have to attract their attention now, wouldn't you? So, let me see you all. Wave your arms over your heads. There's your button down, eh?
All right, let's try like this. Here we go. Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me!
Come on,
Save me! Save me!
Well done, mates. I can see you're rescuing me mind's eye. You've all done well.
Yeah, very nice. Now, Captain, you know, in your honor, the crew has taken to calling these jumping jacks.
Thank you, Mack. Truly flattered by that.
How's that?
But I doubt it will be much remembered. It's okay, though. What may be remembered, however?
What's that?
This princess right here. Come on, now.
Oh, the princess.
Yes. We can use her in the front of the boat.
Oh, what?
And you. Come on now, Mack. I like your hat.
He's brought food along with it too, there, Captain.
Come on now, princess.
Hello, there you go. There you go. We've got it
Wonderful.
lined up. Okay, okay.
Yes, mate.
What about that one? Oh,
Put that one.
this.
You sure?
Yeah, that one.
One.
It's fine. He's ready to give him up easily. Look at it.
We better take him.
Come on, man. Come on,
I'll take it back.
Now, you all look like just a sort I could count on in the scrape, so pay close attention. I'll say that because we will now undertake our next subject.
Yes.
The delicate art of salt play. For everyone's safety, but mostly mine, we'll be using these practice cutlasses I had Mack make up earlier. Well done, mate.
Thanks, sir.
Now, can I trust you? No? Can we be friends at least? Friendship is a very important thing.
Yes, it is, sir.
Because a pirate's best friend is fear. Fear! And fear's weapon of choice is surprise.
That's good.
Oh! Savvy?
Show off.
Now, when it comes to fighting, you only fight to win. The only rules are what a man can do.
What a man can
And of course, what a man can't do.
That dirty trick. Oh, watch this.
You might lost a finger on that one.
Still going more.
Careful. Nice catch.
Go on.
Now, if you can't beat the other fellow you're fighting, then survival is the only way to win. And so you must distract and flee. Distract
and flee.
Please don't do that, sir. Thank you. All right, now, I'll demonstrate, and then each of you will give it a try. Savvy? 3 quick strikes, one this way, one this way. Punt to the belly, hold, point, salute, scab in the shoulder.
Oh, where?
And then you flee. Any questions? Very good. Now, when they successfully flee, you all have a job to do as well. I expect to hear each and every one of you yell, hurrah, as they make their escape. I'm here to do that. 1, 2, 3. Hurrah! Wonderful. All right then, little man. You ready? Come on out here then.
That's right. I got a problem with this one over here, Captain.
Oh, yes.
I heard what you said about my mom.
What'd you say, mate?
What'd you say about my mom? You said she was ugly.
You did? And she is? Well, don't be scared of him, mate. He's just a big dumb animal, all right? Come right on over there. Hit him right there. Hit him on the other side. Hook him in the belly now. All right, mate. Now point this finger. Point the finger. Say, look, it's the governor's daughter. And free, mate! Come on, run! Well done, mate. Wonderful job. Come on there, princess.
Hello. What's your name? Maddie? That's my middle name.
Is it?
We don't talk about it much. It's
Put him on the right there. Ha! On the left.
There you go, Maddie.
Hook him in the belly.
Oh, she's mad.
Now point your finger.
Point.
Say, look, it's the governor's daughter.
Where?
Flee, run! Run! All right now, mate.
Still has an extra hand to use for anything else.
Come on there, dear. I'll hold this for you. Don't worry, it won't be any missing. Okay, come on, mate. Run on up there.
You got holes in your shoes there, lad. You're going like that.
Some stinky feet. Oh. All right, hit him right there on the right neck.
Aaron,
Left. Hook him in the belly.
Go for it.
Point your finger.
What's your finger?
Point your finger. Say, look, it's the governor's daughter.
Oh, who's that? Okay, who's that? I like her anyway.
Well done.
Give me an eye with it.
You ready, princess?
Uh-oh.
Would you like a chip? Anyone? Come on here, princess. Come on. Grab your sword, Mack. This one's so pretty, I just want to fight her.
Oh, like Miss Elizabeth. Are you going to fight Captain Sparrow now? Captain Sparrow.
I'm Captain.
Are you ready? Strike, Miss Elizabeth. Ha! Ha! Belly! 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 Hold! Point! Shock him! Who's over there? Who's over there?
Well! Stand right next to me now. Shoulder to shoulder, mates. Hold your swords up high. Give me your best pirate face. 1, 2, 3. Well done, Mr. Morgan. All right, mates. Oh, you had rabies for a second. Thank you. All right, there, mates. We've got 4 crew members. Some go anywhere. But we need a few more youngsters out here in order to have a proper crew. So who wants to join the crew, eh? Raise your hands. Come on.
Come, Jack!
Come on, right here. Come on.
Come!
In the back, mate. Come on down. Come on in, princess.
All right, let's line up.
Come on down. Shoulder to shoulder,
Captain
mate.
Jack!
Right over here.
Captain
Shoulder to
Jack!
shoulder. Who else? Who else?
Captain!
Come on there, mate. Come on there. You, mate. Yes! All right, anyone else?
Step right up. There you go, line up.
Come on there. Come on there.
Line up.
Come on there.
Shoulder to shoulder. Look around if you need.
All right, now. Pay close attention. Do you wish to pursue a life of adventure?
Yes.
Do you wish to join the crew? Yes. If that be the case, let me hear you say yo-ho.
Yeah.
Well, I do believe you're worthy. The only thing left is the official pirate oath. So, Max, finish with their papers, and then we'll swear them to the pledge.
All right, I'm giving you your pirate papers. Now, when you receive your pirate papers, hold them up in your starboard hand. That's your right hand. Hold them nice and high, and turn around and face the captain up there in that wagon.
Me.
Turn around, face the captain. Now, we're going to signify our pledge to the captain by saying, aye. So, what do we say? Aye. What's that? Aye. Everyone? Aye. All right, they're ready, captain.
Are you ready?
Aye.
Do you pledge to live your life by the pirate code?
Aye.
Do you pledge to take only your fair share of the spoils acquired in our enterprise?
Aye. And if someone were to insult our captain, we would spit in there. Aye. What I meant to say was, do you solemnly pledge to obey the commands of the captain? Aye. Even when placed in mortal danger? Aye. Or facing certain death?
I think we got about 3 of them.
Yeah, about 3 of them. All right, well, turn around and face the crowd out here. Turn around and face the crowd. Turn around, for now I officially designate you crew members in the future service of Captain Jack Sparrow. 3 cheers, amen!
your families, eh? Move along.
That's right, head back out to your families. But pirates not family name. Sorry about that. There you go.
Mack,
Downstairs. Yeah, there you go.
I see you was drunk or something.
I saw him! Just like you rehearsed those.
All right then, we'll be with the first. But you scary stones heading out the corner.
All right, come on, everyone. Come on.
Yo ho, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We pillage, we plunder, we rifle and loot. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. We kidnap and ravage and don't give a hoot. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho.
What's a hoot?
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
What do we do?
We extort, we throw, we filter, we sack. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. More on your battle, even hijack. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. I saw you go. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. I'm sorry.
A pirate's life for me.
What are we?
We're rascals, we're scoundrels, we're villains and knaves. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. We're devils and blacks, we're really bad eggs. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Slow it down. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Oh, they're wonderful, Captain!
That is, I'll be quarreling.
Oh, no, I think any crew that can sing that well can surely be trusted, eh?
Cool, mate.
Yeah, even if they knew that there was a king's ransom waiting for them as the price on your head. Was that? You just said price. Oh, yeah, there's a price on your head, sir.
On the head.
Oh, yeah? That's a secret, though. I didn't tell anyone.
Now,
No, they don't know that.
now, you didn't tell anyone, did you?
Do any of you happen to know what's on the captain's head?
Bandana. A
They're not
bandana.
that price,
Yeah,
man.
I might have mentioned it once or twice. £200.
Okay. Well done, man. Wonderful job. Wonderful pirate. Look, it's Governor's daughter.
Oh, where?
Bombas! Distracted, please, mate's coming through, sorry, mate's coming through, coming through.
Governor's daughter, you changed, Captain! 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 Hold on, wait, Captain Sparrow! There's a what? Captain Sparrow! No, just wait. Hello, how are you? Hello, everyone. Let's have a Captain Jack Sparrow's pirate tutorial! And if you'll all excuse me, I've got to go find the captain. Thank you all for coming. Everyone watch your feet. And those of you who are pirate papers, hold on to those pirate papers. And when me and the captain get a share, we'll make sure to call every one of you to come join us, eh? All right, princess. And wait, you still want to give up some money? Sorry, all right. Well, never mind the word, folks. That's right, don't tell anybody you saw us. There's no pirates here. Captain Sparrow. That's right, all right.